my god, he's so fat.
Okay. What's his name? What's his name? Oh.
Are you guys even seeing this right now?
He's almost done.
Almost done, man.
Oh man, you guys better hurry up if you want second place. Because first place is going real quick.
Wrestler's rule.
Oh man.
What's your name?
Joe.
Joe. That's Joe. Go, Joe. Go.
Joe! Joe! Joe!
Joe. 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 Joe.
Yeah, chug that shake.
Took us more here.
Oh, you got backup shake.
Backup.
You didn't see that coming because it was all concealed.
We don't mess around.
Yep. Got to finish it all.
There it is. There it is.
Joe. Joe. Joe.
So good right now. Your body is in love with you.
It will be tomorrow. There it is.
Joe.
I'm bringing you this shirt that says that you have indeed ate it.
Yeah.
For another burger sometime. Hey, prizes for runner-up too. Second place. Let's do this thing.